Okay, have you bought a pack of microphone stands? There was maybe 6 or 8 stands for 160 bucks. And then after maybe a year of use, the screw at the bottom is no longer securing the base. Well, let me share with you how to repair it. So what happens is, here on the inside right there, there's a locking nut. So I took that locking nut and put it here to secure this because the other piece fell. But what happens over time, this plastic will start slipping. So as we turn and tighten real hard, the lock nut will strip inside that plastic, and it will start free spinning. So to overcome that, you need to get yourself some metal. This metal bar, I got this from Home Depot. This is a 1-inch thickness. I would say it's probably maybe an 1/8 inch, if I'm not mistaken. And what you do is you want to create one of these. It's pretty much a rectangular lock nut. And what this is gonna do is you're gonna slide that in there. Let me put it on the side. So there it is. And then let me get the screw. See if I can align it. Okay, so there it is. So now, as you can see, and I turn this guy, and if I tighten it real hard, it's gonna hit against the wall, so it's not able to free spin. So it's nice and tight, and my stand is back online. So I have a few to repair. So I hope this works for you guys. All right, peace out. Oh, one more information. This particular stand, the thread size of this bolt is metric M6 by 1.0. So M6 by 1.0, you can buy a drill, a bit with an already included tab, which is M6 by 1.0, to create the threaded hole on the new lucky nut, which is that one. So there you go. All right, hope it works for you guys.